Hey guys, it's me, Rod Marquez. Today's video is going to be a creek fishing video. I'm here in Southern California at a local creek. You definitely need a fishing license to fish at this spot. I brought the fly rod. Actually waiting here in the parking lot, waiting for a couple friends named Phil, Lauren, and Elena. We have a couple hours to fish here at this spot. I could have brought the ultralight rod today, but I want to catch a fish, no matter what size it is, on the fly rod. So give me a comment below, give me a thumbs up if you like these particular creek fishing videos, and let's say if we get more than 200 likes on this one, then I'll make another one. All right, without further ado, let's go. Is that the first fish of the day?
First fish of the day. I'm a whack-em dub.
That's a mini lure right there. Do a little creek fishing with my boy Phil and the gang over here. Oh, that's awesome. Gentle release, look at that. Nice. Look how small this little stream is. We're just gonna be hiking along this creek and just try to catch as many fish as we can. I brought the fly rod, Phil brought the ultralight, they brought the fly fishing gear. I'm probably the noobish one here in terms of fishing. If I can catch a bass today on a fly rod, Lena, I'm gonna be super stoked. Oh, come on. He bit it. I didn't set the hook. Come on, get it. It's a beautiful one too. Oh, I don't know how to cast. Oh, got him. Yes, my first fly fish of the day on this lure that I don't even know. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful one. Yes, look at that, like orange dorsal fins, blue cheek. All right, see you, buddy. Oh yes. First branch fish of the day. There it is. You got it. Oh, that's a good cast. That was a good cast, Lena. There it is. Nice. Yeah, Lena did. Sunfish. Beautiful one too.
He's a heavy one.
It's a good size one. Yeah. There it is. Got one. That's a good one too. Look at the orange.
Perfect hook set too.
Cool. Here you go. Nice. Nice release. Let's see if I can cast over here. It's like extremely shallow here. No. Nice. Man, these are like close quarter. Ooh, there's some bass coming out. Two, one sunfish, two bass. There it is. There you go. There you go, one sunfish. Thanks. Ugh. Let's go over here.
Look at the color on this one. Wow, dude, all bright orange.
So beautiful.
Hold it up.
One of the prettiest friggin' fish I've ever caught.
That is so cool. All right, buddy. Thanks. That is a beautiful sunfish, Phil.
Thanks, buddy.
Congrats, dude.
Yes, I heard that. Let's go find a good spot.
Nice. Hey, we were just fishing right there. Moving on to another spot. Lena, can I ask you a question? Personal best fish on a fly rod?
The halibut, 27-inch halibut.
27-inch halibut. What did you catch it on again?
A streamer. It was just a bait fish. It was like light blue and white.
Light blue and white.
But it was really sparkly.
Okay, so this spot is a pretty good one.
Ooh,
Pretty shallow, but still holds some fish here. Oh, good cast, guys. Caught my line. All right, Romel. This one's for you. This next fish is for you. Oh, there's a lot of sunfish here. There's one. Yeah, another sunfish. That's a beautiful one. Oh, this is heavy. Oh my God, this is huge. Holy moly, guys. All right, size of my hand and size of this nice size sunfish. Nice, man. Was that like 1 minute in this area and there you catch a fish? What were you using?
This little rubber legs here. Looks like a September caddis.
Holy moly, I've never seen that in my life.
I'm gonna freaking do it if I can get this through the line.
You see the bass?
No, yeah, you can totally see the back.
Let me see.
There's like 6 of them right there.
Let's see.
And they would go up to it,
Yeah.
open their mouth, and then swim away. And I'm like, come on, man.
The grind is real. Let's go over there. Oh, dude, that's the orange tail.
Another pretty little one
That is gorgeous.
on the orange and white. Mini
Yeah,
split.
he absolutely swallowed
Yeah,
that
he
one.
wanted that one.
Nice catch, man.
Tell your friends to eat.
Let's go, man. Good catch, Phil. Another one. Oh, that's a beautiful one too.
Yellow, a little darker on the colors.
Yeah.
Pretty neat.
Nice one, man.
Thanks, dude. Natural color again.
Natural color.
Change it up. I'd catch a million of those all day long just to look at them.
Me too, man. Me too.
So cool.
We're just catching crawfish in this little troll bridge here. Oh, you got one. No way.
What? You thought you were going to get me, huh?
Nice, Phil. You're catching everything today. Incoming.
Busy day already, bro.
No. There you go.
Have a good one.
You too. Let's see, Lita.
It's like perfect size for fishing right here.
Dang. Nice.
Yeah.
See, over here making people hungry.
Our son would be excited. He goes to Mississippi State. He's like, that's big in the South right there.
Okay, my GoPro died, but mission accomplished because I just got my first bass on the fly rod today. Definitely had to work for it, but it was on that nice little crawfish imitation. There you go, guys. Look at that. Nice little bass in this little creek. Took a couple hours, but we pulled it off. All right, buddy. Thanks for letting me catch you. Whew. That was awesome. show you what I was using. I don't know what this is called, but to me it looks like a crawfish. Has two skirts, kind of like two claws, brown body, orange color. Popping this right off the floor, hopping it off, and then that bass committed and took it. Awesome.